I have a Jacuzzi tankless water heater J-sn180f2 going into code 11, no ignition.
My name is. I look forward to helping you. Jacuzzi is a rebranded Rinnai. I am a Rinnai factory trained and certified repair technician. Propane or natural gas?
Natural gas.
Age of heater? Mounted inside or out?
2 years, inside.
Error code 11 will happen if it's not getting fuel or spark.
It will start if I only turn tap on January 4th. After start, plenty of hot water.
Okay, this sounds like the burner assembly needs cleaned. When it tries to low fire, the gas is not getting through the burners in the area of the spark. It will high fire because that requires more fuel it's getting to the ignition rod. Go to Rinnai.us. Under the tab for support, you can put your zip code and find a certified technician in your area.
Okay.
Also ask him if the condensate is ran properly because your issue is uncommon for this new of a unit. Poorly trained condensate will cause it to happen faster.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.